before I met you. Everything was black and white, but it's so different. Now it's
To make our healthier muffins, we have softened cube butter, wholemeal whole wheat flour, Greek yogurt, eggs and honey. A little bit less brown sugar because we've got the honey, mashed banana and our spices. Begin by creaming the softened butter and sugar together until smooth. Next, add in the honey before adding in 1 egg at a time, beating in between each addition. Add in the vanilla. Mix the spices and salt in with the flour before adding into your wet mixture. Fold in the banana and the yogurt before finally adding in ground nutmeg. Line the cupcake tray before dividing your batter equally between the muffin liners. Place in the oven. Partway through you can add sugar nibs. Bake till a deep golden brown. Leave to cool in the tray for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool down completely. Enjoy your healthier muffins. Till next time, happy baking bakers!